Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, there existed a magical place called the Multiverse. It's like having a big jar of imagination sprinkles, where each sprinkle brings a new and incredible universe to life. Get ready, my friends, as we embark on an adventure through the multiverse, where the ordinary becomes extraordinary and the fun never ends. Imagine you have a big box of crayons, and each color is a different universe. In one universe, you might have green skies and purple grass. In another, you could have talking dinosaurs with fancy hats. The multiverse is like having many boxes of crayons, each with its own special colors and drawings. Sometimes when you close your eyes and make a wish, you might actually open your eyes in a different universe. These universes are like silly mirrors of our own, with tiny and funny changes. Maybe in one universe, you have a pet elephant that can juggle cupcakes. Scientists think that there might be a gazillion universes out there, all snuggled up together like a cosmic puzzle. Each universe has its own set of rules, like a game with different levels. In some universes, gravity might make you float like a balloon, while in others, you could bounce like a super bouncy ball. The multiverse is a place where you can meet lots of versions of yourself, just like a big family reunion. Imagine seeing a version of yourself with curly hair or wearing a hat made of bananas. It's like having a party with lots of silly twins who have different adventures and wear funny socks. It's important to know that the discovery of the multiverse was a big team effort. Scientists from different places all shared their ideas and worked together. They used their super smart brains, their fancy gadgets, and a sprinkle of imagination to uncover this marvelous secret. Now here comes the best part: superheroes. In the multiverse, there are endless versions of our favorite superheroes, each with their own super-duper powers. Maybe in one universe, Spider-Man can fly like a butterfly or Iron Man wears a shiny pink suit. It's like a superhero parade, but everyone has their own unique twist. But wait, there's more. Remember those big boxes of crayons we talked about? Well, each universe is not only full of colors but also full of different creatures and critters. You might find tiny blue aliens with 3 eyes or fluffy pink bunnies that sing opera. The multiverse is a place where imagination becomes real and tickles your funny bone. Sometimes the multiverse can be a bit tricky. If you traveled to a universe where everything was upside down, you'd have to walk on the ceiling and eat dinner while hanging from the chandelier. It would be like living in a topsy-turvy world where everything is a big silly puzzle to solve. Now let's imagine something really special. What if there was a universe where you were the king or queen? You could have a chocolate castle with a cotton candy moat and rainbow bridges. But remember, my friends, the multiverse is like a gigantic game. Just like you have to follow the rules when playing a board game, each universe has its own set of rules to keep things interesting. Sometimes those rules might seem a little wonky, but they make the multiverse an enchanting and surprising place. Now it's time to wrap up our multiverse adventure. Just like a big colorful painting with lots of brush strokes, the multiverse is a tapestry of infinite possibilities and endless fun. It's a place where imagination can truly run wild with no limitations. So whether you want to be a superhero, explore new worlds, or have a tea party with talking animals, the multiverse is here to make your dreams come true. It's like a giant playground where you can swing from star to star and slide down rainbows. The multiverse is always ready to give you a big joyful surprise. But remember, while the multiverse is full of incredible wonders, our own universe is pretty amazing too. It's like a cozy home where we live, surrounded by family, friends, and fluffy pets. So, even though the multiverse is full of silly and fantastic things, let's always cherish the real world and the special moments we have right here. As we say goodbye to the multiverse, let's take a moment to imagine all the smiles, laughter, and imagination it brings. Whether you're a brave explorer, a silly superhero, or a giggly adventurer, the multiverse is a place where you can be anything your heart desires. So keep dreaming and let your imagination dance in the magical world of the multiverse. And that, my friends, is the marvelous multiverse. It's like a wiggly jiggly jelly that can take us on the most incredible adventures. So whenever you feel like diving into a world of endless possibilities, just remember the multiverse is waiting for you with open arms and a mischievous grin. Let your imagination soar and may your journey through the multiverse be filled with laughter, silliness, and lots of hugs. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like, subscribe buttons and the notification bell so you can join the Simplify squad.